Emergency services? Oh, emergencies. Fire. Right. Yep. Yep. Come on. Now. Now. Can you, like, come and do something? The whole place is literally burning down. Fire, all I can do on it is close. Hello? Oh, right mouse click in order to order the fireman to move. The fireman will aim hoses nearby. Oh. Like, literally, dude. Can you all... I didn't realise that, like, running the prison would mean that I have to kind of order them what to do. Sure, they've got a little commander to tell them what to do. Because all those prisoners going, nothing to see here. Oh, at least they can spray through those walls, eh? What's that dude doing? Great, the whole place is flooded. Oh, it's spreading. Well, I think we're doing a good job here. Look at all this damage, though. Right, let's move you around. What a scene of devastation. I think it's safe to say that's the canteen out of operation. 80 prisoners have serious complaints right now. Food. Yeah, that'll be because the canteen has burnt down. Oh, they're coming in to pick up all the rubble, which is good. But they're all tired. Oh, well, that's a disaster. I like how they're starting to clean up before it's even totally out. That tree is taking some time, innit? Extinguish the flames. It's literally that little bit of ground and this tree. Come on, you can do it. Tab to cycle. It's literally that one bit of fire left. Look at all that water. Can someone get close enough to, like, extinguish it, please? H will aim the hose manually. Okay, this is getting, like, borderline ridiculous now. We literally can't see for the water and it's not putting it out. How is this even possible? Come on. H. Okay, like, this is, like, obviously totally broken. Do we need, like, every dude and his dog down here or something? Can I get more fire engines for this one tree? That fireman in there is thinking, why me? Why am I the one to have to literally stand in the water, in the fire? If we accelerate time, I guess this is literally not going to go out. What kind of insanity is this? Sorry guys, we can't let you out at the moment. It's just one thing which won't stop. Oh, it's gone out on its own as soon as I ordered the fireman to leave.